Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am exploring and explaining the utility of investing in stock offering higher dividend yield. If you look at bank deposit rate today, for a senior citizen, one can make about 5.4% per annum. And therefore, risk-free rate of return which is offered by Government of India hovers between 5 to 6%. Some of the company, if they offer higher dividend yield, is it worth? So in today's video, I am going to discuss about is it worth to invest in dividend yield criteria, what are the steps, and at the end, I am going to share with you two stocks which offers higher dividend yield and also a chance of appreciation where I have made investment. So before I proceed, guys, investing in stock is highly risky. So before making up your mind for investing, please do your own research or consult your advisor. This video is purely for education purposes. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel, give your comment and share the video in your groups so that larger number of people can be benefited. So let's start. Let's get going. Dividend yield. Now before I talk about and explain you the criteria for selecting stock, let us understand what is dividend yield. I would like to explain this with help of an example. Let us say you buy a stock paying 500 rupees and this particular stock gives an annual dividend of 4 rupees. So dividend yield in this case will be 4 into 100 upon 500, which is 0.8%. Normally, when you look at growth stocks like Asian Paints, Pidilite Industries, dividend yield in all these cases are less than 1%. But there are many stocks in the market which has got higher dividend yield to the level of 9%, 10%, 7% and so on and so forth. So the question comes, should we go ahead and invest in those stocks? Let's look at it. Should we invest in a company with high dividend yield? Let us look at different steps which are involved in choosing a stock for dividend yield investment. The very first thing is you need to find out the stocks on a given criteria. So there is a site screener.in. I have given the criteria: market cap is greater than 1000 crores, dividend yield is greater than 6% and quarterly sales growth is more than 10%. When I execute this criteria on this site, I get top 10 stock. See here, in the case of Coal India, the dividend yield is 9.46%, NMDC 10.36% and so on and so forth. So you have got a host of company which gives a very high dividend yield, more than 5% of the bank fixed deposit. So the question comes, is it wise to invest in this company? And if yes, how much you get? So I think in any company, when you make an investment, you earn from two sources. One is dividend as a dividend yield, other is appreciation of the price. So it is very important to understand that whenever you invest in a company like this, has there been an appreciation in the price in the past? And because if the price is falling, it doesn't make sense. So let's look at some of them. The very first company I chose, Coal India and Hindustan Zinc. Both have got very high dividend yield. Now look here, in the case of Coal India, I have taken the 5 years prices. So if you invested in Coal India 5 years back, the price 5 years back was around 300 rupees. And price as of yesterday is 165. So basically from 300 to 165, this means almost 45% drop in the price. So if somebody had invested in Coal India, in totality, he could have lost money, including the price gain and dividend. Whereas if you look at Hindustan Zinc, 5 years back, the price of Hindustan Zinc and today price is the same. Although in between it has come down to about 120 rupees at some point in time. This means that if you are invested 5 years back, you could have reaped whatever is the 7, 8%, 9% dividend yield that you could have reached without eroding your capital. Let's look at third case, Vedanta Limited. This also has got around 9% dividend yield. So if you invested 5 years back, the price was around 200 rupees and today it is 380. Yesterday closing was 380. And so this is a case where you could have gained something in terms of price appreciation, also dividend yield. So it does make sense to really invest in company like Vedanta. So my prescription here is, guys, whenever you look at it, look at both the appreciation and dividend, and it is all about selection. You can select a good company, then you can reach handsome benefit. So if you like the video, don't forget subscribing. Please do subscribe, do share with your group, and give comments. I would like to mention here that investing in stock is a risky affair. Making up your mind for investing, please do your own study or consult your advisor. This particular video is just for education purposes, which brings to you certain scenarios which may be beneficial for investing. I have shown you 3 examples here, and in 3 examples, particularly Coal India, Hindustan Zinc and Vedanta, you have seen that the third one, Vedanta, was very appropriate for investing because it offers a higher dividend yield to the extent of 8-9% and also capital appreciation opportunity. So before making up your mind, you should do homework the way I have explained here, and then you should take your decision. There are a couple of companies, 2 more companies which come to my mind is ITC. ITC is fundamentally very strong company, professionally managed company, and since it has not been able to really catch up like Hindustan Unilever in terms of their FMCG business, the share prices are hovering. This company offers around 7.5% dividend yield. So if you take Vedanta and ITC combination, which I have chosen in my portfolio, and I have invested for dividend yield as well as appreciation, both stocks fundamentally are at good stage. They offer a good appreciation for dividend, and they give you, if you put equal money in both of them, let's say if you do invest 2 lakh and you put 1 lakh in both of them, in a year you can earn from dividend 15 to 16,000 rupees, besides a good scope for appreciation. So friends, in this short video I have discussed about how to choose stocks for dividend yield investing, and investing is a complex scenario. So obviously one may have a different goal. Somebody is investing only for growth stocks, somebody invests only for dividend stocks and all those, but you should be very careful while choosing appropriate stock for investing from dividend yield perspective. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget subscribing to the channel, because your subscription, your support only will motivate me bringing better videos for you in future. And thank you so much for your time. Stay connected, stay tuned, and let's look forward for some good videos in days to come. Thank you so much. Have a great day.